Hello everyone. This video demonstration is about tooth shade selection and introduction to a next generation tooth shade selection system. The selection of the color of the natural tooth is the most significant and challenging task for the restorations of the teeth. Many restorations fail due to the inadequate shade selection. The color of the final restoration should match with the natural color of the tooth, particularly restorations like laminates and veneers, which signifies the importance of shade selection in aesthetic dentistry. The two main methods for shade matching are the conventional visual method using shade taps, typically tooth shade, and the instrumental method using color measuring devices. The visual shade guide is the most common method for shade selection in a day-to-day practice. Currently available tooth shade taps are Vita Classical Shade Tab and Vita 3D Master. They are preferred as they are economical and easily available. The disadvantage of visual method is the subjective variables and the physical variables. The subjective variables are variability of experience, age, eye fatigue and color blindness. Physical variables are the extreme light conditions, type and intensity of the light source and the angle of incidence. Coming to the instrumental method, this is Vita Easy Shade 5th generation. Parts of it are the device, the charging stand and the calibration unit, and infection control shield. The instrumental method of color evaluation significantly reduces the subjective errors of the human shade visualization. The most significant disadvantage of an instrumental method is the cost of the equipment and the maintenance of the device. The next generation of the dental shade selection is the mobile application. DentHue, it is a different approach to the shade selection method by software analysis of the image captured by the mobile camera, and the image calibration is done for the various segment of the teeth for the image which has been taken. Coming to the clinical scenario, this clinical demonstration will focus on various methods of tooth shade selection. From visual shade selection to the instrumental shade selection and introduction of the next generation dental shade selection, which is the mobile shade application. Coming to the first method of shade selection, it will be the visual shade selection through two types of shade taps or shade guides. First will be the classical shade guide and second will be the 3D master. Coming to the visual shade selection, the Vita Classical Shade Guide has been used. Considering the visual shade analysis, we will start with the darkest shade to the lightest shade. Here, the Vita A1 shade has been selected. While considering the visual shade selection, there can be personal bias of the dentist. Let us see what the second operator selects. The second operator, she will be selecting the shade. According to the second operator, the shade selected was B1. Here, there can be a personal bias according to the individual. Now, the shade selection will be done by Vita 3D Master. In considering the shade selection, it will start with the three steps. First, we will be selecting the lightness, that is the value, from darkest to the lightest. In the second stage, once it has been selected, the second stage is the selection of chroma. From these two shade taps, according to chroma, the taps will be selected. And the third step is the selection of hue. According to hue, the shade will be selected. In this case, 1 and 1 will be selected. The biggest disadvantage while considering the visual shade method is the light conditions. Different light conditions impart different types of shades. For example, in the natural light, this is the shade. Lights on कर start कर. In the dental light, again the shade evaluations become difficult because of the light intensity. In the low light setting or the clinical light setting, again the shade selections become difficult because it will impart again the different shade. In a very dim light situation, again the visual shade selection becomes hard. Coming to the second method of shade selection is the instrumental method. In this, we have taken Vita Easy Shade 5th generation. Select the settings and the tooth which has to be selected. Place on the middle of the tooth. Press the button. The light will be focused. And we got the shade which is A1. Coming to the next generation dental shade selection, which is the mobile application. Now we will focus on the mobile application. Here, once the mobile has been taken, we have to install the shade application. Once it is open, start the camera. Now the position of the phone while taking the photograph. Centralize the phone, which will be perpendicular to the tooth surface. A sufficient light source will be available. Focus on the selected tooth which has to be selected. Adjust the light and capture the photo. Here there is a photo. Once it is done, we'll start with the cropping of the photo. Once the tooth has been selected, the 9 points, that is the autofocus points for shade selections, are being arranged on the tooth. Then proceed further. The shade is being evaluated and A1 shade has been selected for maximum selection. This is how the next generation dental shade selection, the mobile application, will work and give the proper analysis of the tooth shade selection in the 9 parts of the tooth which has been selected. The advantage of mobile digital shade matching application over the visual shade method and instrumental shade method is that it minimizes the subjective and the physical error which are been encountered in visual shade selection. It is also accurate to the instrumental method like reflectance spectrophotometer, and also is cost effective comparative to the instrumental method. This mobile application is going to be the next era for dental shade selection.